Hey, welcome back to another episode of the FOGO Life. Today I'm going to show you the secret ingredient of many top chefs' dishes, smoked garlic. Everything tastes better with garlic, right? And everything tastes better smoked and grilled, right? If you combine the two, you have smoked garlic, and it enriches and emboldens every dish that you make, to the extent that top chefs use it around the country to make the dishes even better. Raw garlic is a little sharp and pungent in taste, but once you smoke it, you unlock this world of taste, the boldly smokiness, the caramelization, the softness, the nuttiness, the delicateness of the garlic comes out, and it's just amazing. And the best is, it's extremely simple to do, and it will store in your fridge for a couple of weeks. So you can make a whole bunch of it at once, and then just store it and use it over time in your dishes. Let me show you how to do it. I am going to smoke the garlic as low and slow as possible, without my fire going out. I've been able to keep the smoke rolling as low as 180-200 degrees, so that's what I'm shooting for. I'm adding a couple of chunks of cherry wood for the smoke. I like the mild and fruity aroma from the cherry over some of the more popular smoking woods like hickory or oak. We are hot smoking the garlic, not cooking it, so there's really no time limit in terms of how long can it be on the grill. I would suggest to smoke it at least for 2 hours so that it can absorb a good amount of smoke. I usually throw in the garlic and the apple chunks at the end of a cook, so I let it smoke overnight. Once the wood and charcoal have burned off, it just keeps sitting on the grill absorbing those delicious flavors, ready to be taken off in the morning. Alright, our smoked garlic is all done. This is literally, some people refer to this as barbecue gold. Look at this, it looks beautiful. It's like super smoky, golden, yellow, brown. It's amazing. You guys should smell this. Like, I wish they would make these like kind of devices for the camera that they can record the smell, and you can smell it through your TV. I wish they're going to bring these things out in the next couple of years, because it's fantastic. I can't describe this. So we smoked these garlic bulbs for about 3-4 hours, really low. You don't want to cook this. It's not like a food you need to cook. All we wanted to do is have the garlic absorb the smoky flavors. So I threw a couple of cherry chunks on top of the charcoal for that smokiness. And cherry is a good smoking wood. It's like a fruit wood, so it's not overpowering like an oak or mesquite or something like that. But you get a nice smokiness on your garlic bulbs. And basically, yeah, let me show you. It's extremely easy to get the smoked garlic out of here. Just cut off the top. You see, it just comes right off, and there you go. There you have your garlic. It's soft, it's moist. It's caramelized, basically. It's smoky, it's sweet, it's everything that you want. And let me show you, it pushes right out. And look at that. It's absolutely amazing. There you go. It's very easy. And then, for example, you could use this on so many things, and any food is perfect with this. The smoked garlic really pops the flavor in any food. You can mix this into mashed potatoes, eat it with a steak, use it for soups, seasonings, salads, like whatever, wherever you use garlic, wherever you use like flavors and seasonings, you can use the smoked garlic, and it's going to add that additional edge, that additional flavor explosion to all the foods that you cook with it. Or, you know, you could go very simple. You know, I brought some bread here, some whole wheat bread. Add just a little bit of olive oil to your bread, a bit of salt. I have some smoked salt here, and let's just add a little bit of the smoked garlic on top. Just spread it, you know, like it's like a jam. Basically, spread it on top. There you go. Let's try it out. Like I was telling you, it's nothing like the normal garlic, you know, it doesn't have that sharp, that pungent kind of taste that raw garlic has. It's just smooth. It's tasty, smooth, velvety almost, you know, it's amazing. I can't recommend this enough. This is extremely easy to do. And let me tell you a tip. Basically, after any barbecue that you do, you know, you're cooking a steak, you're cooking chicken, whatever you cook, you're done with it, and your charcoals are dying down, your charcoals are burning off. Just throw your wood chunks on there, you know, throw your smoking wood on there for that extra bit of smokiness, and put your garlic on top, and close your smoker, and just let it sit there. Let it sit there overnight, and you come back in the morning, and you wake up to this golden goodness, you know, and that's it. You know, there's nothing, since you don't have to cook it at a temperature, you don't have to worry about it when it's done. Just you know, let it sit there in the smoke, and let it absorb all that smokiness overnight. Well guys, I hope you liked our video, and if you did, you know, I appreciate it if you share it with your friends on Facebook and on the internet. You know, get our channel out there, and you know, subscribe below. Thank you so much, and see you next week.